Superstay Lumi-Matte foundation is supposed to be transfer and sweat proof. So we're about to go ahead and test it out.
I'm a star, cause I slay, I slay, I slay.
Hey y'all, so today I'm going to be doing my makeup and I'm going to be trying some new makeup products. So really today I'm going to be reviewing the new Superstay, the Maybelline Superstay Lumi-Matte foundation. So I'm going to be trying out this foundation today. Super excited. It's a 30-hour wear. What? And I got the shade 350. So yeah, let's go ahead and test out this foundation today. I'm going to be using primer, and I'm using the e.l.f. primer. And the girlie should already know, if your skin does not look like a glazed donut before you apply any foundation, you are not doing your makeup correctly. So you see how my skin is looking nice and glazed. First, I went in and moisturized my face. I washed my face today, and then I went in with moisturizer. Now I'm going in with primer, and that's basically prepping my skin for foundation. And I'm gonna let that primer dry down, and I'm gonna use my fan. Now y'all see my face is literally looking like a glazed donut. So it's time to go in with foundation. Super excited to try this foundation. I'm just gonna apply some to the back of my hand. Okay, now I'm just gonna go in and blend that foundation out. So this is how the foundation is blended out so far. This new formula allows for a airy wear, and it's available in 24 exclusive shades. The 30-hour Air Flex technology basically gives it like a transfer proof. It's supposed to be sweat proof and transfer proof, so we're gonna be trying that out. Now I'm going in with concealer, and this is the shade 10 Juvia's Place Concealer. I'm also using Too Faced Concealer, Born This Way, and this is in the shade Sand. Ooh, not me putting it on my lip. So now I'm gonna go in and blend out my concealer. Now I'm going in with translucent setting powder from Laura Mercier, and I'm gonna set all the places I put concealer. Just use one of these powder puffs to apply your setting powder. Going in with bronzer from Fenty Beauty and Caramel Cutie. Using this bronzer to do a nose contour. I like to start from the top of my brow and go down to the tip of my nose. And you could even use it on your lids as like a eyeshadow. Bronze them cheeks, chin, blend it down towards your neck. Now I'm taking the NYX Buttermelt Blush. Love this blush. It's so cute, super pigmented. They are on sale for $10, TikTok shop, plus free shipping. Yes. And she is super pigmented. Ooh, I'm super excited to be trying out this new brow pencil from L'Oreal. Ooh, I'm so excited. This is supposed to give you like real live brow hairs. Like when you do the strokes, it's supposed to give like realistic brow hairs. Okay, this is how one brow is looking. Y'all see it? This brow, this brow. I don't know how to feel about it. It seemed like when I first started doing it, it was doing good on this side. But now it seemed like it was dried out, so I don't really know if I like it. Okay, now I'm gonna apply my mascara from Essence. Okay, so for lippies, I'm going in with the Maybelline Stay Teddy Tint. This is a lip tint, a matte lip tint. I did pair it with a brown lip liner, and this basically stays on your lips all day no matter what. So you could be eating and drinking and it's still gonna be on your lips. Super cute. Hey, thank you Maybelline for sending me these products to test out. I'm in love with the product so far. Foundation looking flawless, lips looking real good. Love it, love it. Hey, I'm gonna go in with the NYX Buttermilk highlight. I don't know, y'all, I'm kind of old school. I like applying my highlight to my brow bone, on the bridge of my nose, and on the tip of my nose. Now I'm going in with setting spray. And I'm going in with another setting spray just to make sure everything lasts all day. Okay, y'all, this is the finished look. I literally slayed my makeup per usual. Hey. So, yeah, this Stay Lumi-Matte foundation is supposed to be transfer and sweat proof. So we're about to go ahead and test it out. I have a cotton pad, white cotton pad, and I'm gonna just dab my face. It's literally transfer proof. There's nothing on here. That's tight. Okay. OMG. Love it, love it, love it. If you are interested in getting this foundation, make sure you check the description bar because I'm gonna link the products that I use in today's video. I love, love, love my makeup. I literally slayed. It's so cute. Nice and blended, seamless. It's giving flawless. Hey, period. So the Maybelline Teddy Tint lip tint is literally, it's transfer proof. So let's test that. Nothing. Yeah, get these products. I'm trying to tell y'all, they're 10 out of 10. Recommend. Hey, stay tuned for the next video. Bye.